I'm jealous of all those social media posts that show amazing lawns, like almost golf course quality lawns. Clearly, this is not the case here, but with this leveler, this is a leveling rake. This is what you see in all those videos with people like spreading a ton, I'm talking a ton of sand on their lawn, cutting it down, you know, really, really short, and then leveling the sand with the, and the cool thing with this is that because of its weight, it actually has a lot more weight than you'd imagine. It's easy to just go up and down. So you could imagine if there was sand, the sand would go through here, kind of like pool into here and be spread around with the rake. So what you're essentially going for, making sure that the sand is level, you water it down, and then the grass is literally going to grow over that sand and your lawn is going to be level. Your lawn is going to be straight. It's going to look like a golf course, minus the golf clubs. But yeah, this thing is fantastic. It comes completely separated or disassembled. All you need to do is assemble the pole. This is metal. This is all metal pole and a metal rake. All you need to also do is actually attach it with that one big bolt. But love the fact that it is so, it's free moving, which is great because it will follow your lawn and make sure that that sand is properly dispersed all over the place. It's fantastic. I can't wait to get a ton of sand here.